handy, and artistic.
It's so beautiful. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today I'm getting ready to mail some gifts to people. So I want to send cards to them and say, I've been thinking about you, it's the holidays, what's going on? But I'm just going to mail them something small. So I thought, what if we made bookmarks? I do love to read. And I had it was a painting that I started that I didn't finish. So I'm using that paper to make.
It's thick paper, Miss Kate,
It
right?
is. It is thick paper. You could use construction paper for this. This is watercolor paper. Thicker paper is good, so it really stays in the book. And something to draw with, so like permanent markers are good. Colored pencils are great for this. And then some yarn if you want to make it a little more fancy. And then this whole thing could go into an envelope and be sent. That I was thinking of them. So this is what I did. I took my paper, and I wasn't worried about it being perfectly straight. I just cut, which is what you can do too. You can just cut a piece of paper. So if you want a long bookmark for a big book, or a shorter one for a shorter book, it won't matter. So you've got these pieces. So on this one, so I've got this card here. It kind of looks like the sky up there, doesn't it? This one, I was starting to draw flowers, and then I realized they sort of look like palm trees, so I turned them into palm trees. So I think I may do that again anyway. So some sort of message. So I wrote, let me just write this again. Happy reading, and try to use your best font.
Oh. Like if you were sending it to your grandma, could you send a message like, I love you?
Yes.
And sign your name?
You could.
So that when grandma was reading,
every time she pulled it out, she'd be so happy.
Yeah.
For sure.
That's nice.
Okay, so I'm going to do some more of these kind of palmish trees. Well, palm trees don't necessarily look like stars like this, but
They could look like those dandelion puffs also.
that's kind of where I was going when I first did those ones, and I looked at them and was like, oh, they look more like palm trees. Okay, so now that you have this part of it, and you could paint the other side if you wanted to. I just thought of that this very second when I saw this white side, but you know, it's okay. And then I took a piece of ribbon. This ribbon, I don't even know where it came from. I think it came from my brother Jim when he mailed us a bunch of stuff. I'm not really sure, but we had it, so that's what I'm using. In order to do this, you're going to need a hole. So here's my hole punch. I'm going to punch a hole like that.
It's a circle.
Look at that. We have different kinds of hole punches here with different shapes, but this is a circle one. Okay, so now I'm going to put my ribbon, the folded edge in there. And see this, now it's got a loop. So this loop, I'm going to grab the pieces from the other side and pull them through.
Is that a slip knot?
It is a slipish knot. Yeah, I guess this is a slip knot, yeah. And then I'll take a book from our shelf so you can see how it would look inside.
That's so lovely.
Let me grab it. Okay, so imagine I was reading this book, How Artists See Families. And I was looking at things and thinking, oh,
And then
really
your phone
good.
rang. Ring, ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring.
I was thinking, I'm super tired. I thought, I'll come back to this book tomorrow. But I don't want to forget where I was reading. So I'm going to take my beautiful bookmark, put it in with the ribbon hanging out, close my book, and then tomorrow when I wake up and think, oh, I have to know what happened in the book, I can go to my bookmark and carefully open it up, and I can keep reading. And then if I want to stop again because now the phone rang, I can put this back in, close it up, and I'll
Useful,
notice where I am.
handy, and artistic.
It's so beautiful. Okay, so that's how you make a gift bookmark. And like I said, I'm going to mail these to friends. Friends, watch out for these. You're all going to get them. Bookmarks to send to people, let them know you were thinking of them. All right, thanks everyone for visiting. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye, friends.